What's up, y'all? Today we're taking Olympic Air Flight 357, operated by Aegean Airlines from Santorini to Athens in economy. The aircraft we're flying on today is an Aegean Airlines A320 with a registration of SX-DNC. This plane at the time of flight was 2 years old. On this quick little 50-minute flight from Santorini to Athens, we're sitting in economy and I'm in seat 3A. Since the plane's only 2 years old, the cabin interior was still really nice. It's a quick little flight, so it's not very luxurious by any means, but the legroom on this was plenty, and I didn't have any problems with it. I thought the seat for the short flight was really good. On this Aegean A320, the pitch for the seats in economy are 30 inches, and the width of each seat is 18 inches. As soon as we stepped on the plane, we were greeted by the warm and friendly cabin crew. The crew was really cool. A little bit before takeoff, they came around and with a little candy basket and offered everyone a candy. I thought that was pretty cool for this short little flight. Before you knew it, the plane was already boarded and ready to go. Time to take off runway 34R on our way to Athens.
We thank you for your attention. We wish you a pleasant flight.
It's our pleasure.
Shortly after takeoff, we were handed a little wet nap to kind of clean up a little bit and offered a snack and a beverage. I wasn't thirsty, so I didn't get anything to drink, but I did take the snack, which was these little like chocolate cookies. They were pretty good. I didn't get anything to drink, but some of the choices of beverage you could have gotten was water, juice, and or sodas. As for the in-flight entertainment, there's no Wi-Fi, there's no seatback TVs, but that's really not needed on this short little flight. They do have a couple magazines you can flip through, but honestly, just look out the window, look at the beautiful ocean and small islands you pass over, and that's all you really need. Staring out the window, the next thing I knew, we were on final approach to Athens. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. So let's wrap up this super short economy class flight on Olympic Air operated by Aegean Airlines. As mentioned earlier, there's no in-flight entertainment. You do have a selection of magazines, but like I said, there's really no need for it. You can just look out the window or just take a quick little nap. The seats also on this plane were very comfortable. I didn't have any issues with legroom. Then again, I'm only 5'9", but I thought they were very comfortable and the width wasn't an issue either. All in all, I thought Aegean did a really great job. I wouldn't hesitate to book them again if I ever find myself in the Greek islands. So as always, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you hate it, give it a thumbs down. If you got any questions, comments, concerns, throw that down in the comment section. And if you want to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button. Till next time, y'all.